As you can see, it's got the old flashing red light. This one's definitely your lod. Okay, so let's get about repairing it. First thing to say, this is one that has been purchased from eBay. Already has the warranty seal removed, so God only knows what's been going on in this one, but still, we'll repair it. Okay, what you'll need is a heat gun that's suitable to do 350 degrees C, that's Celsius. You'll need screwdrivers, a Phillips, a small Phillips, and a Torx bit screwdriver, but you could get away with using a small flat blade screwdriver. You'll also need some isopropyl alcohol, wipe to wipe the heatsink compound off, and also you'll need some thermal compound. Okay, so let's get going. First thing to do is, if it's already on, remove the sticker, take away the rubber foot, put that safe, then slide the screwdriver into the hole. I'm using a flat blade, and if you unscrew that screw there, then you can remove the lid as follows. Push it towards the left, disengage the lid, take it away. Okay, this opens up the PlayStation for all the mounting screws, so we're going to undo those. Start off here.